Hi, good afternoon. Yeah, today is 9th of October 2020. And today is Friday, and the time now is 5:20 in the afternoon. So today I've done this laying of stormwater drainage pipe, and I already put sand bedding on the sides, and I pour concrete just on the front sides as well on the other end. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going to no, I mean not tomorrow, it's on Sunday, because we have to celebrate our my daughter's and myself's birthday. So I won't work tomorrow, so I'll do it on Sunday. Also, I start laying the subsoil drain, so I already connected on that other side there. So and this is the one flowing on this clean out, and this is what I'm doing now. So I'm putting filter sacks. The purpose of that is to filter all the seepage coming from this retaining wall, and all the clean water will go to subsoil drain, and then it flows to clean out and all the way through down there. So once I prepare this one, I'm going to backfill it and pour concrete on the entire area from this side here up to the retaining wall, that for the recess for stones. Sorry, I forgot the word. Yeah, this is area for the stones as well on the other side. So once everything completed, I'm gonna pour it monolithic, meaning I'm gonna pour this side all the way through and all that side. Yeah, that's why I retain these formworks here, because there's another pouring to be done on this area. So once it is completed, I'm going to remove this formworks and then lay down another pipe in here, and then concrete, and then put the stones here, and that's it, all finished. So probably it takes another a week, because you need to let the concrete dry before you can strip the formworks. Yeah, so far I'm happy with the production I've done so far. Yeah. Alright, my friends, thank you so much. This is how to lay the subsoil drain. By the way, the slope is about, as you can see, so that's about, you can see the difference. So that's about 5 centimeter or 50 mil or over. Yeah, so that's about 80. So that's the gradient. Yeah. Alright, thank you so much for your time, and thank you for watching my YouTube, and thank you for your support, and bye for now. God bless. Please be safe, and see you soon.